Welcome to xpertstec. In this video, I will show you how to use the split screen in Windows 11. You can split your Windows 11 screen into multiple sections to improve your productivity. Split screen permits you to view and access multiple windows at once. Windows 11 displays up to 4 or 6 windows simultaneously at a time. The snap feature by default is enabled in Windows 11. Now let's see how to do that. Press Windows plus I key from your keyboard to open the settings and then select System. In System Settings, scroll down and then select the multitasking option. Verify the Snap Windows option is enabled and select the down arrow key. You can also explore the various options under it and then uncheck as per requirement. Windows 11 has split the screen very simply and quickly with snap layouts integrated right into the maximize button for each window. No need to hold or drag a window to the side or work with your keyboard shortcuts to trigger snap windows. Use snap layouts in the Windows 11. Hover the cursor over the maximize button near the screen top right corner of the window. A small box will pop up with 4 or 6 different options to split the screen. Split screen into 2 sections. Open the app windows that you would like to split, hover the mouse over the maximize button and then select one of the parts of the first option. The current app window will appear now. Snap into the selected half of the screen and you can find other open apps as thumbnails in the other half screen. Choose the one that you need to add to the other half of the screen. Now you can see the 2 apps windows on the screen. You can access and then work on them simultaneously. You can also have the option to resize the windows. How to split screen into 3 sections. If you want to work on 3 apps simultaneously, there is also an option to split the screen into 3. Hover the cursor to the maximize button and then select the 3 parts. The current window will fit the part we choose earlier and then the other open windows will be displaying as thumbnails in your left half. Choose the second and then third window that you need to work on. Now we have 3 open windows on the screen. Split according to your decision. The concept of resizing remains the same. Just hold and then drag the line that separates windows. Now at the last we will see how to split screen into 4 sections. The concept of splitting the Windows screen into 4 is pretty much the same as that we discussed in the last section. Hover the cursor over the maximize button of the current window, select the desired quarter in the last option and then choose the other apps to be the split screen accordingly. One of the windows takes up half of the Windows screen. The other open windows will be displayed in the other half. Choose the one that you need to add to the other side of the screen. Once you have 2 windows on the screen, drag the line that separates them in either directions to resize the windows. This process to adjust the windows remains the same in both methods. Here we go. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.